Hello students, today we will discuss exterior angle property and this is second property of triangle. So in this property, firstly we will discuss what is exterior angle. As its name suggests, exterior angle property. So firstly we have to know what is exterior angle. Exterior angle always lie in the exterior region of the triangle. Let there is a triangle ABC. ABC is any triangle and BC is extended to point D. The side BC is extended up to point D and here an angle is formed ACD. Angle ACD is formed in the exterior region of this triangle. So this angle is known as exterior angle. This angle is known as exterior angle. And the angle that is adjacent to this angle, that is angle ACB. Angle ACB is adjacent to angle ACD. So this is known as interior adjacent angle. This is known as interior adjacent angle of angle ACD. Okay, because it is in the interior region, and there are also two more angles in the interior region, that is angle A and angle B. These are known as interior opposite angles corresponding to this exterior angle. Angle A and angle B are interior opposite angles. These are known as interior opposite angles corresponding to angle ACD. Okay, so in a triangle ABC, if any side say BC is extended to point D, then angle ACD is formed at vertex C, and this angle lies in the exterior region. Okay, so this is known as exterior angle of triangle ABC at vertex C, and we can see that angle ACB is adjacent to angle ACD. Okay, and it is in the interior of the triangle, so it is called interior adjacent angle of angle ACD. This is called interior adjacent angles, and there are two more angles, angle A and angle B, and these are known as two interior opposite angles corresponding to angle ACD. So in the exterior angle, this is an exterior angle, and there is one more angle that is angle ACB, which is interior adjacent angle. These angles together form linear pair because they are formed on a straight line. These are forming linear pair. Okay, that means exterior angle and its interior adjacent angle always form a linear pair. Then what is the property? Property is exterior angle property, means the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. This property is called exterior angle property. That means exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. If this is a triangle ABC and BC is extended to point D, and this is angle exterior angle. Okay, and this is an exterior angle, so the angle ACD is equal to sum of angle BAC, that means this angle, and angle ABC, that means this angle. So angle ACD is equal to angle BAC plus angle ABC. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. These angles are two opposite interior angles. Okay, this is exterior angle property. And now we will discuss some examples related to this property. First example is in the figure given below. Two of the angles have measures 45 degree and 60 degree. Find the measure of angle PRS. We are given this figure, triangle PRS, and we are given two angles, one is 45 and one is 60, and we have to find the measure of angle PRS, that means this angle, and this is in the exterior region of the triangle. And so we will use exterior angle property, and by exterior angle property of triangle we have angle PRS is equal to angle RPQ plus angle PQR. That means exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Then put values of these angles 45 and 60. Then we get angle PRS is equal to 105 degree. Next example is in the following figure. Find the values of x and y. We are given this figure and we have to find the values of x and y. Okay, and in this figure there is a triangle PQR, and we are given that angle QPR is 65 degree and angle PRS is 110 degree, and we have to find angle x and angle y. We have to find these values. Okay, and we are given exterior angle, we are given the value of an exterior angle, so we will use exterior angle property. So by exterior angle property of triangle we have angle PRS is equal to angle QPR, because this angle and this angle, these are opposite interior angles of this exterior angle. So angle PRS will be equal to angle QPR plus angle PQR. Then put values of these angles. Angle PRS is 110 degree and angle QPR is 65 degree and PQR is y. Okay, then after solving this we get y is equal to 45 degree. Y is equal to 45 degree. And now we have to find x, and x is this angle, and we can see that angle QPT, that means x, and 65 degree, that means QPR, these are forming linear pair, so their sum is 180 degree. So their sum will be 180 degree. Then angle TPQ plus angle RPQ is equal to 180 degree. Then after putting values we get x is equal to 115 degree. So we have find a value of angle x and y. Next is last example of angle exterior angle property. One of the exterior angles of a triangle is 98 degree. We are given one exterior angle of triangle, and interior opposite angles are in ratio 4:3. We are given ratio of interior opposite angles. Okay, then these angles will be 4x and 3x. Let these angles be 4x and 3x, and exterior angle is 98 degree. Then we have to find measures of two interior angles of triangle. Let DEF be a triangle. DEF is a triangle and EF is extended to point T. EF is extended up to point T, and we are given that exterior angle is 98 degree and two opposite interior angles are in ratio 4:3. Let these angles be 4x and 3x. Okay, and then by exterior angle property we get angle DFT. Angle DFT is equal to angle EDF plus angle DEF. Then put values of all these angles and we get x is equal to 14 degree. So now we can find values of angle EDF and angle DEF by putting value of x. Then we get angles 56 degree and 42 degree. So this is exterior angle property.